So ito na guys, nagtuturoan na sila. Tinanong lang ni Senator Bato kung sino nagbigay ng order na pasakayin ng airplane si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Tinanong niya si Tory ha. Tapos, sino nag-order daw kay Tory? Sinabi naman ni Tory kay si Marbil. Sino nag-order kay Marbil? Sinabi, nagtuturoan na sila guys. Tapos itong si Remulla, sinasabi niya na binubuli daw sila. Ha? Anong binubuli doon na tinatanong lang naman kasi kayo? Hindi kasi porket hindi kayo makasagot sa tinanong ni Bato de la Rosa, bully na kagad yun kasi nagsisinungaling kayo. Diba? Pakinggan natin ang video guys. Play video.
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP, you give the order to have former President Duterte board the plane?
Ma'am, I think that from the very beginning, the DOJ's advice was sought on every step of the way.
Yes, sir.
We gave the clearance to serve the warrant of arrest.
I am asking them because they are on the ground. Sila ang nag-implement doon. Kaya, Chief PNP, you give the order to the CIDG?
The order to the CID is really to assist the PCTC when it comes to arrest po.
So, sino nagbigay ng order kay General Torre na ipasakay sa aeroplano?
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga, PCTC. Were you the one who ordered the boarding of President Duterte sa aeroplano?
Yes, General Alcantara, please.
Mr. Senator, Madam Chair, I've said from time to time that my mandate is to coordinate
ano ba naman yan?
law enforcement agencies to comply with requirement of the Interpol.
Correct. I believe you, sir. Coordination ka lang.
Yes.
Coordination ka lang. Pero sinabi ni General Marbil na ikaw daw nag-order sa kanya.
That is the limit of my power.
Yeah. But according to General Marbil, ikaw daw nag-order sa kanila na isakay sa aeroplano si Pangulong Duterte.
And that is the limit also of my authority. That's my mandate.
My
mandate is to coordinate, disseminate.
So, for the record, hindi ka nagbigay ng order kay General Marbil na isakay siya sa aeroplano? Hindi. For the record.
For the record, I am not the authority to order the arrest.
Tapos, nagsisinungaling si Marbil.
So, just
boarding of the plane.
Categorically, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. This operation matter.
Nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo.
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting. We didn't want to be bullied.
No, we're not bullying you, sir.
Nobody's bullying you.
I think that
We're not bullying you, sir.
you're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit. And executive privilege is a valid excuse not to answer any question.
President Duterte is already at The Hague.
Tapos na.
We're asking kung sino nagpadala doon sa kanya.
Sino nag-order? We're trying to understand every step of
As I said earlier, everything was cleared with the DOJ.
We are not bullying you.